How's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. All day long. All day long. You could watch the show all freaking day long. And today I've got one that came from a Zen Pop box. They're a subscription service out of Japan. Go to www.zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider, and get a discount. Anyway, we got its little number right here. This is Sapporo Ichiban Karaage chicken. Well, Karaage means chicken, but it's Karaage garlic shoyu. Yeah. That's what it is. And this was on the cup. And this is the lid for the cup. Like so. So now we have a naked cup. Woo, look at it. You can see here the inside of the cup and all the bits and pieces and all the fun stuff. We're going to add water, boiling water, up to the line. We're going to cover it like so, and we're going to do that for 3 minutes. So, oh yeah, I was going to show you this yesterday, but I'll show it to you right now. So, there's all sorts of weird stuff at Asian grocery stores. It's not really weird, but it's unique. Because Asian grocery stores aren't weird at all. They are not. They play the most wonderful music, they have rad stuff, and the people there are pretty cool. So, what do you get on the way in and way out? Well, you get like a lot of Asian newspapers for all different people from all different areas and backgrounds and cultures. And what you also can find, music and stuff, free. I went to 99 Ranch the other day and I picked these up. I'll tell you about them in a second. But there was like a huge box full of cassettes. It's like, who's got a tape deck anymore, yo? Who's playing these? And then they had a big box of VHS tapes. I don't know. But they did have CDs. And I don't know if this is going to be music or not. It wouldn't surprise me if this is just spoken word. This appears to be Vietnamese. It could be... A lot of the time it's religious. So this could be like religious spoken... I'm guessing Buddhism, Taoism. I don't know what they practice in Vietnam. And then there's multiple discs in here. I've yet to throw them in. Here's one. Yeah, here's another one. It's just a burned CD. Look at that. So people will burn a couple discs and drop them in a sleeve and distribute them that way. And then there's this one, which I don't know what this is going to be. I mean, I know who this is from. This is it's a VCD. Look at that! Wow. For any of you who know what that is, you're just going to be like, wow. So, if you're into karaoke, that's a VCD. The text that's going by and the video and all that, that's a video CD. And then they came out with DVD. But for years in Asia, they had VCD players that were just made to play video off of CD. Was it like? I think it was. It wasn't like HD or anything like that. It was standard, which was 360 by 480 resolution, and yeah, VCD. This is from Epic Times, and Epic Times. I've done some interviews with them. I did a few video interviews with them that aired on their show on Newtong Dynasty TV, NTD TV. I think that ended up in New York. I've done a couple of. They are very anti-China, and nowadays I guess they're very pro-Trump. They think that Trump. They're with a group called the Falun Gong, who are persecuted in China, and they feel that with what Trump has been rambling, that he will be their savior and save them from China. I don't know that that's going to be the case, ladies and gentlemen, but we'll see. Yeah. But here, I'm just going to leave that alone. Here is our noodle cup. I'll be honest, what's crazy about that whole thing with the Falun Gong, there's somebody around here that's been putting up posters that has information. There goes the camera. It's dipping into the noodles. Dude, really? Okay. Well, anyways, there's been somebody putting Falun Gong stuff on light posts down here. And power poles and this and that. Taping them up really good. They stay up pretty good. But it's like, so it's, I don't know. Most people should know that they're very pro-Trump. And so what do the pro-Trump people do? They go and write on the thing, because they're anti-China, right? So somebody on all the signs everywhere put China flu, China new. And it's like, these guys don't like China either, buddy. You're just a big frickin' idiot. You need to educate yourself about culture. It's like, not everybody from Asia is Chinese, nor do they like Asia, like China. So, not everybody does. Some people like China. Some days, I don't even like America. So, but I'm able to do that, so that's okay. But some days, ladies and gentlemen, oh boy, just too naughty. Knock that off. So this is supposed to be like a Japanese fried chicken, garlicky shoyu. Yeah. Wow. There's the broth. Wow, I'm impressed. You know what I'm getting out of this? All those herbs, herbs and spices that the Colonel is always talking about. I don't know what that is. I'm going to find out. Where's the garlic? It mentioned in the byline about this one that there was like a whole bunch of garlic in here. That might be it. That's cabbage. Come on. You guys mentioned garlic. I want to see it. Well, let's get a good chunk of these noodles to try. This is pretty good. It's got like a little bit of heat to it. Just a little bit. A lot of seasoning. I mean, it tastes like chicken skin. It tastes like what makes, you know, what makes fried chicken good? The skin. And the seasonings therein. Oh, is there something on the lens? Yes. I see it. I do see it. Hold on. Yeah, a while back, I did this thing with Facebook where they did all this free promotion if I uploaded a bunch of videos to Facebook, but you didn't have any control over what videos would get promoted. It was all based on an algorithm, mainly having to do with which videos you had that got more people going, hey, that's a rad video, or, you know, maybe not even that, just the more comment, more audience participation. And there was a video I did that had like some little bit of schmutz on the lens, like right smack dab, right there, and it was like about that big. And oh man, I got so much grief from people about that, because since a couple people said something about it, the algorithm decided, hey, you know, during the whole stint of the program, you get like 150 grand worth of like advertising credits. I'm like, sweet. I think it spent like half of that on that video. I like that one. It's weird. I mean, it tastes like not extra crispy, that's for sure, but it tastes like fried chicken. Something that I enjoy. Haven't done so in a while. I'd probably get so sick if I ate some fried chicken right now. Oh my god, all the grease. I don't really eat a lot of grease anymore. Well, I'll tell ya, I miss grease. It's the word, you know? What are we gonna do here? I like the little mince bits. Bits are nice. My daughter's in the living room barking, ladies and gentlemen. They got in big trouble. Oh my goodness. I thought they were out there cleaning the living room like I asked them. No. What were my sweet little children doing? They were up on the computer, literally on the desk, and one was going like this with the monitor, and the other one was flipping the on-off switch for the lights for my coffee stand. I'm not kidding. Never. That's bad. They got a dual timeout. That like never happens. Because it's really kind of pointless. Because within like 10 seconds, the screaming stops, and then they just start giggling because they just start playing together. Like, well, look, we're both in timeout. Ah! Alright, enough is enough. Aggie wag. Egg time. You see that? Yeah, you see that we're having a little bit of an egg time. And I think we're pretty good. I got a couple more things I'm going to throw in here. I've got some fried onion, which, I mean, it's fried chicken. It'll add some crispness. I'm going to add just a pinch of this. This is Kazami nori. Kazami just basically means like strips or shredded, one or the other. And I think I'm going to call it good. Tapping out. Are you ready? I sure hope so. You're gonna oh, come on, stupid thing. There we go. You ready? Let's rotate out. The Ramen Rainer wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles everywhere. Yeah, that was some spicy stuff, some sesame, some this, that, and the other thing. And it is time for me to go. So, I'll see you back tomorrow. Same ramen time, same ramen channel, you know, and you'll enjoy that. And that's about that. Later.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacía contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro que les pidan a Cupido y me traigan pica pica para tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras.